I tested 15 AI financial tools, and only 7 can truly replace a financial advisor. Stick around, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to manage your finances for free. But first, let's dive into the landscape of traditional finance. Financial advisors typically charge anywhere from 1% to 2% of assets under management, and hourly rates can range from $150 to over $400. These fees can eat into your investment returns significantly over time. With the rise of AI technology, it's becoming clear that many of these traditional roles can be automated, saving you both time and money. Today, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing personal finance management and introduce you to 7 free AI tools that can replace your financial advisor. Let's get started. The first tool we're looking at is Personal Capital. This free app allows you to track your net worth, manage your investments, and plan for retirement. The dashboard gives you a detailed overview of your financial health, including asset allocation and cash flow, which can help you make informed decisions. The investment checkup feature analyzes your portfolio and suggests improvements based on your risk tolerance. Users have reported saving thousands by identifying high-fee investments to replace with lower-cost options. To get started, simply sign up for a free account and link your bank accounts for a holistic view of your finances. Next up is Mint, a budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances effortlessly. Mint aggregates all your accounts in one place, allowing you to see where your money is going. The app categorizes your spending automatically and provides insights into your habits. Plus, it alerts you to upcoming bills and offers personalized tips to save money based on your spending patterns. Users have reported cutting unnecessary expenses and saving an average of $600 a year. To implement Mint, simply download the app and start tracking your expenses today. Our third tool is Wealthfront, which offers automated investment management for free. With Wealthfront, you can create a personalized investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. The platform uses cutting-edge algorithms to manage your investments, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and tax loss harvesting to maximize your returns. Users have reported increases in their investment growth by as much as 30% compared to traditional management fees. To start with Wealthfront, create an account and answer a few questions about your financial goals to get your personalized plan. The fourth tool is Robinhood, a commission-free trading platform that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional brokers that charge hefty commissions, Robinhood provides a seamless trading experience with no fees, making investing accessible for everyone. The app also offers educational resources and market insights to help you make informed decisions. Users have reported starting with as little as $10 and building substantial portfolios. To get started, download Robinhood and create your account to begin trading instantly. Fifth on our list is YNAB, or You Need a Budget, which is designed to help you take control of your spending and save for your financial goals. YNAB emphasizes a proactive budgeting approach, allowing you to allocate every dollar you earn to specific categories. This method not only helps you track expenses but also encourages saving and investing. Users report reducing their monthly expenses by 20% on average after just a few months of using YNAB. To implement YNAB, sign up for the free trial and start categorizing your expenses today. The sixth tool is Tiller Money, which helps you automate your budgeting and financial tracking using Google Sheets. Tiller connects to your bank accounts and automatically updates your financial data, giving you a real-time look at your finances without any manual entry. This tool is perfect for spreadsheet lovers who want full control over their financial planning. Users have reported saving hours of time each month by automating their spreadsheets. To start with Tiller, sign up for a free trial and link your accounts to your Google Sheets. Finally, we have Zeta, a financial tool specifically designed for couples. Zeta allows partners to budget together, share expenses, and track joint goals. It combines personal finance management with collaborative features that help couples communicate better about money. Studies show that couples using Zeta have an easier time managing joint finances and report improved financial harmony. To implement Zeta, both partners can download the app and start sharing their financial goals today. Now that we have covered the 7 AI tools, let's discuss how you can implement these solutions into your financial planning. Start by identifying your primary financial goals, whether it's budgeting, investing, or saving for retirement. Choose the tools that align with your needs and integrate them into your daily financial routine. For example, you could use Mint for budgeting while also investing through Wealthfront. Setting specific milestones and reviewing your progress regularly will keep you on track toward achieving your financial objectives. Let's take a look at some real-life case studies. Jane, a young professional, used personal capital to evaluate her portfolio and discovered she was paying high fees on mutual funds. By switching to low-cost index funds and rebalancing her portfolio, she saved over $2,500 in just 1 year. Her experience shows how using AI tools can lead to significant savings and better investment performance. Another example is Mike and Sarah, a couple who started using YNAB to manage their household budget. Within 3 months, they significantly reduced discretionary spending and saved an additional $500 each month for their emergency fund. This financial cushion provided them with peace of mind and allowed them to focus on their long-term goals. Their story illustrates the power of proactive budgeting combined with technology. Finally, we have the story of Alex, who utilized Robinhood to start investing with minimal capital. By trading fractional shares, he built a diverse portfolio that grew by 40% over 2 years. Alex's journey reflects how accessible technology has transformed investing into a feasible option for even novice investors. His success underscores the importance of starting early and leveraging user-friendly tools. To wrap things up, we've explored 7 powerful free AI tools that can replace your financial advisor. From budgeting to investing, these tools offer features that can help you take control of your financial future without the hefty fees. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Integrating these tools into your routine and staying informed about your financial health can lead to significant savings and growth over time. Don't forget to regularly review your financial goals and adjust your strategies as needed. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. By leveraging these tools, you can save money and enhance your financial decision-making. Thank you for watching, and start your journey toward financial independence today.